Moscow launched a kamikaze drone attack on Monday, 19 December 2022, hitting key infrastructure in and around Kyiv, hours before Russian President Vladimir Putin arrived in Belarus, fueling fears he will pressure his ally to join a new offensive on Ukraine. The Ukrainian Air Force said its air defenses shot down 30 drones in the third Russian air attack on the Ukrainian capital in 6 days and the latest in a series of assaults since October that have targeted the Ukrainian power grid, causing sweeping blackouts amid sub-freezing temperatures. Officials said at least 3 people were wounded and 9 buildings damaged in the Kyiv region. The Ukrainian Atomic Energy Agency accused Russia of sending one of the drones over part of the South Ukraine nuclear power plant, in the Mykolaiv region. This is an absolutely unacceptable violation of nuclear and radiation safety, Energoatom wrote on Telegram. Invading Russian forces currently occupy the Zaporizhzhia nuclear plant, Europe's largest, near the front line in southeastern Ukraine. Kamikaze drones used in the attacks are cheaply produced, disposable unmanned aircraft that fly towards their target before plummeting at velocity and detonating on impact. Under the darkness of night, a fire raged at an energy facility in the often targeted central Shevchenkivsky district, a Reuters witness said. Source: Reuters.